Consistent cooking temperature. Other air fryers can deviate from their targeted temperature by as much as 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The Brio makes sure that the temperature you set is the temperature you get by checking the temperature inside the unit 120 times per second. With Brio, your food comes out perfectly crispy every time. Even heating. The NuWave Brio's unique cooking chamber ensures that the superheated air generated by the Brio circulates around your food, cooking it from all sides at the same time. This is facilitated by the patented fry pan basket design with its stainless steel meshed basket net and holes in the basket walls to ensure the hot air cooks your food from every direction. Advanced features. The NuWave Brio has a vast temperature range between 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 400 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments with the simple press of a button. It features Reheat and Preheat buttons as well as a selection of 100 recipes pre-programmed into the unit for added convenience. Convenient. The Brio 6-Quart is the perfect size for cooking 2 pounds of fries or a 3.5-pound chicken, by making it the perfect choice for couples, small families or anyone that wants to enjoy healthier fried food made quick and easy. And only the Brio 6-Quart features a handy removable divider insert for the fry pan basket. Grill indoors. Now you can grill steaks, chicken, fish and more indoors all year long using the Brio. The dishwasher-safe grill pan is even non-stick, so you don't have to add any extra unhealthy oil when grilling. Top reviews from the United States. Easy replacement when product registration. After 2 years of daily use, the product stopped working. I tried all the suggested changes, but I finally called the product in for non-use. The call was answered quickly and efficiently. The customer service representative, Alicia T., was kind, efficient and told me to forward the email for product registration. Within 3 days, including a long holiday weekend, I received the replacement product and was back to cooking all thing I enjoyed with less effort, oil and time. I recommend registering your product as suggested. The team at NuWave are amazing. Everyone dislikes contacting customer service, but this process took all of 10 minutes and she followed up with receipt and operation of the new product. You rock. Alicia T.